How to connect Tone Wallet to Tapswap. Hello world, welcome back to my channel. In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily connect your Tone Wallet to Tapswap. And if you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to subscribe. Saying that, let's start today's video. So the first step is to open your Telegram app. Then you will select the Tapswap. Then click on Start Now. Now there are two options in the screen from where you can go to find the way to connect your Tapswap to your Tone wallet. The first option is Task. On the bottom of your screen, tap on it and you will see these three tabs here: Special, Leaks and Reference Tasks. As you can see, currently we don't have option to connect Tone wallet to Tapswap. But remember, when the announcement comes, you can always check here for Tapswap to activate the option to connect your Tone wallet to your Tapswap. And you can also go to Boost and you can see here Boosters, and under Boosters there will be one of the option to connect your Tone wallet to your Tapswap. You can be accumulating your coin while you wait for Tapswap to activate the option to connect your Tone wallet to your Tapswap. Remember, when the announcement comes, you can always check here in the task or go to Boost where you can connect your Tone wallet to Tapswap. So my friend, that's it. Subscribe to the channel if this video was helpful, and I will be back with another problem solving videos like this. Thanks for watching.